Okay, here's a quick short update in Cornelius. Here's the little Yaris. It's got a light came on. Little coverage, save that windshield wiper. A little bit of snow on top of this ice. Got the back hood covered out as well. Truck. That's mostly ice. It's kind of bright with that reflection off the streetlights. Thank goodness we still got power. And there's the truck ready to go. The guy that headed out, and in case we have to have it. Okay. Here's the road. It's coming down pretty good right here. And in this direction. That trash has been out there for a week. Missed it by 2 hours on last Monday. You'll miss it tomorrow too. So the grass doesn't look covered, but I'm telling you what, this road is covered. I bet it's really, really slick. You can see it coming down right here. But the street lights got it covered. Lit up and you can see it falling. It's kind of a mix of snow, sleet, and everything right now. But anyway, there's I'll do a quick 360. All right, there's the update. Whatever time it is this morning.